classroom sequence, right? And Vidya had just flown in from the US the previous night. So Madam was very, very, very jet lagged. We were shooting those sequences, and those sequences are long. When you're shooting a classroom sequence, it's a long sequence because A, Sid Sir being the hero that he is. Okay, oh, now y'all are killing me. Vidya, it's still not too late. You
You
tell
will
us
come.
now if y'all want us to. Uh, okay, now we're just waiting for them to give a go ahead. No?
No, she's given a go ahead. She's saying you're killing me. Say it already.
Oh. Huh. So, she'd just flown in from the US the previous night, and obviously she was very tired. And when we're shooting long ass classroom sequences, they just take a lot of time because also there are many angles, and Sitzer being the hero that he is, he takes um, his own sweet little time to say each and every dialogue. But what happened was, Vidya was really sleepy. When I say really sleepy, she was very, very sleepy. She basically slept between each and every take.
No,
Every
it was
take. When I say,
dark when the whole class exits, and she just couldn't. I felt so bad for Vidya, but she was just like, "Bro, I'm gonna fall asleep on the desk."
but so much fun because I saw her sleep. I'll tell you where all I saw her sleeping. Okay, I saw her sleeping on when she was sitting on the chair. Then she was on the bench. Then later on, she was out in the garden. Then she was asleep while we were on our way back to the hotel. Basically, she was asleep.
Everyone used to sleep on our way back to the hotel.
Yeah, but we love Vidya. Vidya, don't kill us.
No, yeah, Vidya's damn chill. What if it
What
happened? What if
happened
it?
in last? I wanna know, yaar.
Oh, what the hell happened? I have
Yeah.
slept standing, guys. She's written.
And yoga, of course. We can't forget Vidya's beautiful yoga poses in the middle of shots. We would have our ADs holding her leg while she's doing a
No,
headstand. It was amazing.
holding on leg. There were
What?
only people with cameras so they could click pictures.
No. Of course,
That has to be.
Rohit, say something about Namrata's character. Why don't Dimple, you talk about Namrata's character?
I love Namrata's character. First of all, Devyani has done a beautiful job. Um, Unfortunately, I did not have as many scenes with Devyani. I think I had a lot of fun when I was shooting that scene in my room when Dimple is getting ready for the non-date. Jab Selena and Namrata get her ready. That was a lot of fun to shoot. And then I think एक दो classroom sequences थे जहाँ पे we shot together, but I didn't really get to shoot much with her, and I really wish I had. But she is phenomenal in the show. But you shot a lot with her.
Yeah, yeah, I did. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, she's a very invested actor, I feel. So it was great fun.
Yeah, Namrata
Take
was
one
amazing.
cold coffee and throw it on Rishi. मतलब अब now people are just having fun. कि मतलब फेंकते ही रहो ऋषि पे cold coffee.
Next time Rohit is out for a meet and greet or out. Oh, forgive
Sorry,
her.
my score, my never mind.
Next time you're out, just normally people are start queuing outside Starbucks so they can buy coffee to throw at you. You should do a meet and greet at Starbucks.
Fun.
Mostly say in Goa wants a guy like Rishi.
It's me. It's I. I'm ready. Come, get me.
Say in 5 asking Rohit, what was your reaction when you met Prajakta first?
For the oh, what a fun question. It was. I was just like, she's Prajakta. Why?
Why
No,
means
no.
what?
I don't want Dum Dum Mami killing me. No, no. It was great. Yeah. No. I'll. Okay. I'll tell them what I really thought about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I met Prajakta for the first time at Panchami's office, and we were gonna test together. I was told that I'm testing with Prajakta Kori, but I didn't really know what she looked like, and I was running very late, so I didn't even think of stalking her beforehand. So I got there, and Prajakta was sitting outside with Sudeep, and she was just chilling on the staircase. And I was really late, so I got out of the elevator and I ran into Panchami's room. And yeah, then I was there, and I was like, "Oh, is Prajakta here?" She's like, "Yeah, she's here." So Prajakta came in, and said, "Hi, I'm Prajakta. Very nice to meet you." I said, "Hi," and she's like, "Your name?" I said, "Oh, hi, I'm Rohit." She's like, "Oh, okay, cool." And then we actually incidentally shot. It was really, really fun because the first scene that we shot together uh, on set was the scene that we shot together for the first time for the
Yeah.
audition. Yeah, which is the scene where I ask her, where I tell her, "Hey, I'm so sorry, we got off on the wrong foot," and she says, "Yeah, तेरी problem क्या है? क्या है?" So
No, my favorite part from that film is when he says, "My name is Rishi." I'm like, okay, Rishi Singh, and she goes, "So,"
yeah, Rishi Singh Shekhawat.
and then she's
So,
like, "Oh my god, this is like, what is he trying to say?"
yeah. But no, I thought that she was very rude, yeah, when I met her at the audition. Not rude, but I was like, why is she so sadu? So she basically was Dimple when I met her for the first
I
time. But things
was not
changed.
Sadu. How was I Sadu to you at the audition? I said, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Prajakta. Sorry, I didn't get your name." How is
No,
that
but
Sadu?
after that you didn't talk, na?
Rohit, I was so nervous. You have no clue how auditions. You know how auditions make me nervous. I was just very, very nervous.
It's not true. You just didn't talk to me after that, Prajakta. And that's why I thought that she's rude. But after that, when we met for the second time at Akarsh's office for a really fun reading session, we started pulling each other's legs and we made some poop jokes, which kind of got us friendly. And then
We
that was fun. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're
See,
saying they're
we,
saying
we
Praju Didi can never be rude. Matlab, theek hai, I've been my feelings have been nullified. So I guess then I just
no,
suck
I
up and
was
say, yeah.
like really, really nervous. I wasn't rude.
Okay,
Start.
you say what was your impression when we met for the first time?
एक तो I had I think I had. Oh no, I had come a little earlier because I was also doing another test.
Yeah.
So when you came, I was just chilling. I was like, okay, you chill for a while, and then Rohit was going to come. Okay. So I didn't know. No, she didn't tell Rohit was going to come. She said the other, the guy that you're testing with is going to come. तो मेरे को नहीं पता था कि whom I'm testing with. I never asked Akash or I didn't ask Panchami को कि who is this guy, what does he do. मेरा उतना भी of mind नहीं चला कि maybe I should Google him, I should look him up on Instagram and see कि अच्छा कौन है किसके साथ I'm meeting. So I didn't know. So when I was sitting outside of the staircase and Rohit walked by, he walked by and I was like, okay, I don't know who that is. I was like, okay, great. So then Panchami called me saying, bro, come, we'll start our audition. I went in and then I found out that he's only the guy that I'm testing with. So I was like, hi. So like a normal person, I said, hi, I'm Prajakta. I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. I didn't know his name. That was not me being rude. And then uske baad I was super nervous because I was just like, also Rohit is a very good performer. So
Oh, now we're going there now. Please.
what? But you were good at the audition. I mean, if you see our audition tape, honestly, for two people who have met 3 minutes ago.
Oh, I actually wanna at some point during the week I'm gonna share the photograph that we took when we met for the first time as
Oh,
Dimple and Rishi.
of the audition. Oh, yeah.
What fun! I just saw it today.
तो फिर ऐसे हुआ और फिर वो audition like we did 2 scenes. Rohit, we did the rain sequence wala scene also.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wow.
Yeah. So we did 2 scenes. हमने classroom वाला एक scene किया और हमने rain sequence भी किया. And वो अच्छा हो गया. And Panchami was like, great, now let's get pictures together. So both of us suddenly are like hugging each other and clicking pictures. And I was obviously very awkward because I've met the guy like 5 minutes ago and he's met me 5 minutes ago. And I was like, how to pose like we're a couple. AK Various is saying chup. AK Various, tu chup. You're
AK, what the hell? It's 11 o'clock. Why are you awake? And if you're awake, why didn't you call us? We've been trying to talk to you for the past 3 days.
AK, I'm so upset with you. Anyway, so then yeah, that was.
Shweta is saying how adorable are you guys as Dimple and Rishi. Thanks,
Hi,
Shweta.
Shweta. सो जाओ सब लोग. हाँ, तू डेट नाइट पे जा, हम सोते हैं. ये बात सही है.
He's out on a date night.
Yeah, he's out on a date night with Dilshad. This is why I didn't call him like 100 times. Otherwise, I was like back to back going to call him. AK is the best. That is true. AK is the best. We have the most amazing pictures with the cutest pictures with AK. Also, stories that are just like can't show.
Yeah, but I really want to. If AK doesn't return my calls, or like, well, I haven't really called him. So like, if he doesn't get on a call with me in the next 2 days, then I will write one post about AK and his behavior on set.
Oh my god, this is a threat. AK, I would never do this to you.
It's an open threat, AK.
Which proves that I am your favorite actor on set of Mismatched.
You're supposed to be on my team, Prajakta. What the hell?
The director online. We'll threaten him in person, no. Privately.
I do not like this high moral ground that you have taken suddenly.
Oh, who had taken that high moral ground 10 minutes ago? Don't tell me high moral. Rohit, you have been giving quite some dhamkis, huh? Mostly Shameless is saying.
What dhamkis?
I don't know. Dimple and Rishi be like, पहले हम अपने अंदर लड़ेंगे, then we will fight with AK, then cool. Slow Cheetah
says the director is only praising you both. Wow.
Listen, guys, please tell me you have heard Cheetah's song, which is Main Chala, which is with Taruk.
It's bomb. It's bomb.com.
Gold. रोज सुबह चला लेना अगर मूड सेट करना है ना अपना दिन का. Just play Main Chala every morning and you'll be fine. Pratik sir is awesome for singing Kahan Ho Tum song and now it is on loop. Thank you so much.
Sometimes I still can't believe that he sung a track for us and like we featured in his music video. Like how cool is that?
पता है कल क्या हुआ? So yesterday when was that YouTube live? Day before yesterday.
Day
Friday.
before, yeah.
हाँ, so Friday को वो जो YouTube live हुआ था ना stream where there was everyone like Rohit on first, then there was Tanmay, then Abhish came, Ritviz came, Ranvijay, me, everyone was there. तो उस टाइम पे नो उससे पहले दोपहर को हम टेक चेक कर रहे थे और टेक चेक में मेरी नजर हटी स्क्रीन से और जब मैं दोबारा से स्क्रीन पे आई ना तो प्रतीक had joined the tech check and I lost my shit. I was like, oh my god, it's him. So we all
That
like a
happened with
collective
me the previous night because I did a tech check with him and the
oh
director said, yeah, so it got my tech check actually got done at 9, but like Pratik was supposed to join at 9:30, so the director said, hey, listen, do you want to wait till 9:30 and maybe like join Pratik for a tech check? I was like, yes, I want that. So then that happened
तो
30
हम
minutes
सारे
later.
में पता चला जब एके ने आई रिमेम्बर जब सेट पे थे तो नहीं सेट पे पहले जाने से पहले ही जब एके ने बताया था that we're going to get a song from Pratik and then when we
From
heard
Jasleen.
yeah from Jasleen then we heard the song when we came back to Mumbai much later. Then we found out we were doing a music video and we were like those 2 days of shooting that music video was the funnest after the shooting
Yeah.
mismatch.
Yeah. It's also the time that we actually got back on set together after a year.
After a year, huh?
Yeah.
Why such a rude ending of such a cute series? Savi Verma is asking.
We have a director on this call. You should ask him. AK. Spam him. Send
AK is
messages
here.
to him.
Various and ask him that why such a rude ending.
I mean, everything has a reason.
Yeah. We will find out soon enough. Just spam AK and spam Netflix and tell RSVP to make another season and we'll do it. I'm
Yeah.
there.
But now you won't have dates. No, you're a Dharma girl now. Juk Juk Geo's happened. You've geoed in life.
So I'll have Juk Juk Show now and I'll be back. Then I'll sit on your head. And if one day also you tell me you're not free, no, then see what dates is gonna happen. Mostly say in West Bengal is asking shameless hoodie hame bhi do merch kab merch.
You were supposed to send me the merch. What happened?
What are you talking about?
Okay. Okay, cool.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Say
But
answer. When to
when
get merch?
soon, we're working on some things. Obviously, I'm dropping hints and I understand that you guys know what I'm talking about. It's not like, हैं पता नहीं प्रारिता किस बारे में बात कर रही है ऐसा तो है नहीं.
Why am I
But
not getting these hints?
and of course they are.
No, I'm not getting these hints.
It's on my stories only. You're not paying attention.
Maybe I should stop skipping your stories.
Okay then.
I'm kidding.
But very soon. Kim is saying go to sleep, Rohit.
Kim, you should sleep after the kind of night you've had last night.
Something हो. My birthday is on 27th. मुझे भी merch gift कर दो. यार अभी तक पता है honestly I'll tell you merch is not out. I'm working on it. These are just pieces that I'm trying out. I am going to do a proper. I will let you know what is going on with it. We will have a launch date. I'll drop it like lava. But till then I'll let you know. What? I could not read that. We want those hoodies. It's winter too. Mostly saying is my life is saying stop ignoring me, Rohit.
I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm really sorry.
Rishi is not so innocent like he is in the series.
Guys, I'm just kidding. Please don't take anything seriously.
He's sorry.
Man, what is I'm not.
Oh, my mamu is here and he says love from Mia. Mia is my baby cousin.
Oh, thank you, Mamu and Mia.
Rohit has a habit. Guys, don't you guys think you guys are giving too much attention to Rohit? How are all your comments just Rohit?
That's not even true.
Yes, it is. I'm
One
reading
sec. I just
every.
said one. I said one thing about you, Prajakta Kohli, that she's rude, and we had a flood of comments where people said you're not rude. And right now you are saying that.
I'm saying that. Don't worry, Rohit. Rishi is sweet. Rohit, Rishi is cute. Rohit, you're so cute. Rishi, tu na.
Shruti Sahni saying he's definitely ignoring us for showering all the love. यार ऐसी कैसी बातें कर देते हो यार आप लोग.
प्रेम में कॉफी दिख नहीं रही, फेंक दी क्या? My writer.
Hey, it's lagging a lot, yeah.
Right. I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah,
I'm
your
saying
your writer Annie.
Annie is like a massive fan of yours. So literally anytime if I'm sitting in a writer's meeting and your phone rings or something happens, she'll just gush. She'll be like, "Oh my god, your phone is ringing."
Hey Annie, I'm sending you so much love. Can't wait to
when
meet you.
when she found out that we are going to be shooting a music video or something, we were shooting together, something like that. She was just like, "Let me know if you want me to come along with you on set."
You should have got her no on set.
She's gone home to Ahmedabad.
Oh, okay.
So I couldn't get her, otherwise so she would come. Dimple, kahan ho tum? I'm here only. Best jodi on the internet today, Sadak Chhap. Hi Pratik. Pratik has an amazing photography page, by the way. It's called Sadak
Is he in
Chhap.
Bombay?
Yeah.
Hey Pratik, will you come shoot with me?
Okay. You should totally hit him up. I
I
don't